guys, I hope you all are doing fine. So 10 to 12 days left for CA foundation exams. Are you all prepared? Yes or not? If not, I have come up with this video for you. This video is going to help you clear CA foundation exams in these last 10 to 12 days. I'm going to talk about every little thing, right? From the study plan, number of hours, chapters, smart tips and tricks. Each and everything is going to be discussed in this video. It's going to be super duper useful, guys. Stay glued throughout the end. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Many more important tips and tricks, last moment tips and tricks, 1.5 day before exam planning, each and everything which you are going to need for the exam and during the CA journey is going to be put up on this channel. So subscribe and hit that bell icon. So the very first thing is, free yourself of the emotional baggage. Oh ma'am, I had planned to study so much. Oh ma'am, I had planned to clear with all the subject exemptions. I had planned 3 revisions. I had planned papers, this, that. Stop this drama now. No time left for any drama now. Stop. Bilkul stop. Can I put a full stop on this so that we can move ahead with a positive approach? क्या होता है ना, what you focus on grows. If you focus on these complaints, if you focus on this guilt, then that is going to grow. If you focus on possibilities, if you focus on opportunities ahead, then that will grow. It is only then we can clear CA foundation exams in 10 to 12 days if you move ahead with that realistic attitude and get out of that comfort zone of yours of just constantly putting blame on others or on yourself or staying in some guilt. So that's the very first part. Free yourself of some emotional baggage and get out of the comfort zone. The second thing, the most important point, is study plan. How to move ahead now. See guys, now today you can utilize half a day of today. Still you have got 12 days. Approximately we can give 3 days per subject. Listen to me very carefully now. 3 days per subject. Now in 3 days per subject, how many hours we can allocate? I would say approximately, if you haven't studied, like if you haven't studied anything, then we can allot approximately 16 hours in a day. Guys, just imagine 16 hours. Now you'll say, how can we put out 16 hours in a day? See guys, let me assume 6 hours of sleep, approximately 6 hours of sleep, 2 hours of breaks in between, half an hour of lunch, half an hour of breakfast and bathing, half an hour of dinner, half an hour of exercise or any other thing. So maybe 8 hours. So you are left with 16 hours. And these 16 hours can act as a deal breaker, I'm pretty sure. Guys, just imagine if you would have started studying like 1 month back, you would have put in 5 to 6 hours in a day. And if you put in 16 hours now, that means 1 day equal to 3 days. Guys, this in itself is a motivational booster for you. Seriously guys, 1 day equal to 3 days. We are left with 12 days. That means we are left with approximately 36 days, which is more than a month. In more than a month, we can get it done. It's just that I require that commitment from your side. Imagine guys, 3 days per subject, 16 hours, 48 hours per subject is not less for a CA foundation student. Right? How to go about it if you haven't absolutely studied? In case of law, in these 3 days, first day, completely focus on BCR. Next 2 days also begin with, I would say, Sale of Goods Act, Contract Act, LLP Act. And I think these are the 3 acts we have to focus upon, and then the other acts you can focus upon. Start off with these 3 acts first. This is how you can divide law. In case of BCK and economics, 1 entire day for BCK, you can watch any of the marathons, 1 entire day for BCK, and next 2 days for economics. In economics also, first focus upon first 3 chapters, then followed by the other 2 chapters. It is doable guys, it is doable. 7 hours per chapter you can give for economics and you can get it done. Right? In case of maths, 1 entire day give for LR. It is easy and it is scoring. So firstly, 1 full day for LR, then followed by ratio, proportion, indices, correlation and regression. These are the topics which you have to focus upon. Even you know these are the important topics, right? And if you want some other topics, see, I think measures of control tendency and dispersion, this is another topic which you can focus upon. Okay? Nextly, when it comes to accounts, 3 days. I'm pretty sure accounts is like in your control, but still start off with like 1 full day you can dedicate for, I'll tell you the chapters. Average due date, account current, depreciation, BRS and rectification of errors. These are going to give you 30 to 35 marks at least. At least is the least I'm talking about. So 1 full day for that. Next 2 days for the other chapters of partnership, company accounts, inventories, final accounts. Okay, so two chapters you can do in a day. 8 hours for partnership, 8 hours for final accounts, then 8 hours for company accounts followed by inventories. Like this you can divide each of the 3 days. Trust me guys, we still have time. Third point, if you don't know which books to refer to now, I would say institute study material is the Bible. Take out those books. Those might be lying in some dust here and there. Take out those books and follow those books religiously. Institute study material, institute mock test papers, institute RTPs and institute suggested answers. Nextly, detach yourself. Detach yourself from the entire world. Stop calling your friends, oh I did not study, oh how much did you study, this, that. We don't have any time left to gossip or to discuss or to land up ourselves in a soup now. Stop discussing every little thing, and we have to save every minute now. Remember, every minute saved is the extra mark gained. Comment in the comment section below. First of all, I am going to utilize every single second now, and I am going to create history by utilizing these 12 days to the fullest. Just imagine guys, क्या हिस्ट्री बनाएंगे आपके अगर 12 डेज में आपने CA फाउंडेशन क्लियर किया. दैट इज गोइंग टू शूट अप योर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू एड ऑन टू योर CA जर्नी अहेड. And for that, escape from everything and focus on studies itself. Detach. Okay, and last point is plan 1.5 days before exam now itself. Crisp notes, summary notes, everything should be prepared now itself. Okay guys, so you may have 1 million reasons why it won't work out, but even a single reason can drive you towards your goal. Even a single reason why you want to become a chartered accountant, even a single reason why you want to clear CA foundation exams is going to drive you towards your goals. Remember, an injured lion still roars. You are in a state of adversity, it is fine, but when the adversity arrives, you can break the records or the adversity can break you. It's the time you break the records, I would say. Okay guys, so let us get going, let us gear up, and let us not stop this time until we make our own selves proud. I'm pretty sure if you get this done, you will be able to clear it this time. Okay, yeah, just believe in yourself. Wish you all the best. Tada.